Hi guys, it's DJ from Cozy RC, and today we're going to run the M700. This is part of my M series mono hulls, which I produce and sell in three sizes: M700, M950 and the M500, which is at home. Today we're going to run the M700 with a newly installed TP motor. This is a TP3640, which has a dimension of 36mm diameter and 74mm length, and this motor has 2300 kV, and we're going to run it on 4S. We're starting with a 43mm 1.4 pitch prop and see how she will go. If all goes well, we will do the next run with a 642 prop and check for some nice speed numbers. Alright, I installed the GPS, so let's say start, movement, stop, read, 3, start again. Alright. Here we go. Alright, let's see how she will go. Nice. So with this prop and the previous motor, we got 73 kilometers an hour, I think, as the best. And the previous motor was a Turnigy XK 3674, so same size. Only difference is that it was 2200 kV and this one is 2300 kV, so it's a small difference. Alright, let's bring her in and check the speed. Get the GPS. Okay, stop, read, 85, wow, it's a huge difference, that's awesome, nice. Okay, let's start again. Man, I didn't expect that at all. So it's obvious that this motor has way more power. Yes, running great. Oh, whoa! Oh, no way, I flipped it. Alright, I got it rescued with my trusty old rescue boat. And I suspect there's quite some water in the hull, because somewhere there's a leak in this hull. And I didn't find it yet. Let's check the speed. Stop, read, 83, nice. And the second part of the run, not bad at all. Okay, so let's open her up. Yes, that's what I mean. Check out the water. That's not good. Okay, still functioning. Spin up the motor a bit to make it free of water. Yeah, it was for a long time in the water, so obviously the setup already cooled down. 23 on the motor, 21. The LiPo still 31. Alright. So next run we're going to try the 642 prop. Second run with the M700 with the TP3640 2300 kV. Now I installed a 642 prop. Let's see about the speed. The record with this prop is 86 kilometers an hour. Alright, let's start the GPS. Stop. Read. 3. Start. Alright. There we go. Hopefully for a 4S record speed run. That would be really nice. Going this way. Alright, there we go. Wow. Yes, it was fast. For sure. Let's do one more run. Like that. Wait for the ripples to cool down. And there we go. Nice. Very nice. Wow. First impression of this TP motor is very good. So let's see what kind of speed that was. If I can get the phone unlocked. Yes. Stop. Read. 99. Wow. That's awesome. I actually hoped for 100, but 99 is very impressive. That is a 13 kilometers an hour step up from the previous records with this prop. So I'm pretty sure that this boat with this setup can now run 100 plus with the right prop. That's awesome. So let's try 100 next time for sure. If I have perfectly smooth water, I have another prop that I know is fast on this hull. Yeah, again, quite a lot of water. Which is a 943 prop. With that prop, I can probably beat my own records. Okay. Okay, so the speed controller got quite hot now. Yes. Wow. Okay. Actually, the capacitors on the speed controller are very hot. Let's check the motor speed. Oh, sorry, motor temperature. Motor is not hot at all. 35, 34, 32. Okay. The motor can handle it easily. But the bottleneck seems to be the ESC. Yes, the ESC is really quite hot now. So I'm happy I stopped. I think this setup with this ESC is on the edge. So I might upgrade the ESC for a 180 amp version to have a little more reserve. But overall, very happy with this TP motor and the performance of it. It makes this boat really fast, so very happy about that. Okay guys, thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!